So in this class, what we are going to do is a simplified surd. We have to bring it back to the non-simplified surd. What do I mean? In the previous class, we have something like this. Let me show you. In the previous class, we have something like this. This is root 45. And we simplified it to get 3 root 5. But in this class, what we're trying to do is, when we have this 3 root 5, we are trying to take it back to the non-simplified form. So this is just very simple. So this is the first example. We are going to solve it and also select the few exercise and solve. Then you can do the rest by yourself. Let's go. So let's start the calculation. The question says express the following as the square root of a single number. So what we are trying to do is make sure that everything is inside the square root. It's very simple. Just very simple. The easiest shortcut to this is just see what you're going to do. This number here, for you to make it to be inside the square root, you have to multiply it by itself. Normally in mathematics, this is 2 multiplied by square root of 5. So this is equal to square root of, for this 2 to be inside the square root, you have to multiply by itself. So it will be 2 times 2 times square root of 5. Do you get it? So this will be equal to the square root of 4 times square root of 5. Remember the rule we said that this multiplied by this is the same thing as all of them inside one square root. That is 4 times 5. We will emphasize it a lot in this class. You can check the previous class or check to get the explanation to this rule, or I can also put it in the description below so you can go through it. So the final answer is square root of 20, because 4 times 5 is 20. So this is the answer. So let's solve the second one, because the more we solve, the more clearer it becomes. Here we have 7 root 3. To put this 7 inside the square root, you have to multiply by itself. So it becomes 7 times 7 times root 3. So this is equal to square root of 49 times square root of 3. So we apply our rule, all of them is the same thing as 49 times 3. So our final answer is square root of 3 times 9, 7. Take 2. 3 times 4, that's 12 plus the 2, 14. So 147. This is the final answer for the example. So next we are going to pick some exercises and solve them, while I leave you to solve the rest on your own as practice. So these are the exercises. Exercise 1C. So we are going to select number 15, number 14, and number 13. You can solve the rest on your own as practice. And mind you, after solving, you can check your answer. This is the textbook we are using. There is a section at the back for the answer. So for those that might want to wonder, how am I going to be sure if I'm getting the correct answer? At the back, there is an answer section where you can also check it. This is exercise 1C. So you can just go to the back, look for exercise 1C. This is exercise 14A. This is exercise 13G. And as you can see, the pages are even listed there. So for this 1C, you can just go to the beginning. This is exercise 1C. You can see. And it was written page 2. So if you check, this is page 2. So these are you cross-check if you are getting the correct answer. For those of us that want to practice. So let's go down and start solving. So number 13 of exercise 1C, we are still trying to express this as square root of a single number. So this As I said, to bring this whole number into a square root, you multiply by itself. So this is equal to square root of 2 times 2 times square root of 11. This is also equal to square root of 4 times square root of 11, which is equal to, as I said, this and this are the same. We've proven it in our previous class, which is 4 times 11. The final answer is root 44. Let's go to the next one. This is number 14. To bring this 3 inside the square root, we just do root 3 multiplied by 3 or multiplied by root 8. This one, which is sent as root 9 multiplied by root 8. Bringing all of them in under one root, that is 9 times 8. So your final answer is square root of 72. So the final question we have to solve is bringing this inside the root to be 5 times 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7, which is the same thing as 25 multiplied by root 7. So we bring everything inside one root. That's 25 multiplied by 7. So our final answer will be 7 times 5. We'll give it 35. So write 5. Keep 3. 7 times 2, which is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So this is your final answer. So thank you. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you for joining the class. We'll see you in the next class.